Hey, what's up everybody? Dan Kraus here again, working on a crease here on the front and a little dent here in the back of this fender on this 2022 HRV. And there's a little hole there where I can reach my pickup in. Push that little dent out. These little dents are super satisfying. Knock down the high spots. That dent's gone. And move on to the front. Plenty of access here to get a pick behind or whatever you'd want to do. I decided to do a glue pull on this first. I don't know. I just thought it would work best to try to glue pull it as far up as possible. And so I've got my robo lifter there, Kiko robo lifter. Now, I originally was going to just slick this and ship it to the paint shop because I'm a body guy and I do traditional repairs normally. But I decided, since it's an enterprise car, we'll just try to get it as good as we can with the glue pull and then pick out the rest. So there's a pretty deep scratch in the clear coat, and so I was a little nervous about glue pulling this right over that scratch, but it didn't pull the paint. But if it did, wouldn't have been a big deal since this job was already written up to be painted anyways. I figured I would just give it a go. And it worked out pretty well here. You can see I just used that slapper from Kiko just to get the leverage right, so that I'm pulling nice and straight. All right, so then I just start working this out very slowly using a pick and a little bit of heat, not too much heat. This is a steel fender and it's pretty flimsy, so the whole fender kind of wanted to move around all over the place when I was trying to push it. And so there I just knock down the high spots, and then I go back in and push out the low spots and just keep going back and forth until I get it the way that I want. And so here I just use a line board to see any of the damage that I couldn't see with my light. And then I just keep cross-referencing back and forth, switching the light around until I get the results that I want. Okay, so you can see things are looking a lot better. Still a few little low spots I have to deal with, but overall it's getting there. And so here I just do one final check with the line board. You can see I've got almost everything worked out. There was one little spot, well, there's a couple little spots I could not quite get. So didn't end up being a true PDR, but very close to it, and Enterprise was more than happy to accept this, and we just touched up a few of the little areas on the front there. So overall, not too bad. I wouldn't say it was a complete failure. I had quite a bit of time into this, but I am by no means a paintless dent repair expert. I'm still very much a beginner, still trying to learn this trade. Usually I take in these body jobs and do the best I can with PDR. But okay guys, so I thought I would just walk through real quick the tools that I used on this job. This is a Dentcraft Fender tool. This comes with the Fender set, or you can buy it individually. Highly recommend this. Has a very sharp tip on the end of it. It's really good for pinpointing those really small lows in the pigments of the paint. So that works really well. This is also one of my favorite rods, this next one here, which is also from Dentcraft. This one has a removable tip on it. You can see it's got a little R4 tip there. You can add the cherry end on it like this one has. Okay, that one's a little bigger, but these are all the tools they use for this job. Kiko's ice tab works amazing. These tabs are incredible, the power they have. In 2 years, I've only broken, I think, 2 of these, and it was my fault they broke, not the tab's fault. So this is also from Dentcraft, this hammer. This is actually a hail hammer, but it works really good for knocking down those crowns. And then I've just got a nice soft tip on the other end of it here. And then this right here is a Glexo knockdown paddle. And I also can't recommend this enough. This thing is amazing. Makes your knockdowns super quick and easy. It's got a really good feel to it. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. Those are the tools I used. And thanks for watching the video, and subscribe for more content like this. I've got a lot more stuff coming soon, so